If you've ever copied text into OneNote and ended up with weird fonts, colors, or spacing, this quick tutorial is going to help. Today I'm showing you how to paste text without formatting in OneNote, so you can keep your notes clean, consistent, and easy to read. This is especially useful when you're copying from websites, documents, emails, or PDFs, and you only want the plain text. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple OneNote tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your OneNote page and go to the exact spot on the canvas where you want to place your text. This part matters because OneNote lets you paste text almost anywhere, so choosing the right location helps keep your page organized. Once you've found the right spot, right-click exactly where you want the text to appear. A pop-up menu will appear, and this is where OneNote gives you different paste choices. Look carefully for the paste options icons on that menu. You may see more than one icon, but the one you want is the clean letter A. That A icon is the Keep Text Only option. Click that icon to paste your content without bringing over the original formatting. Instead of carrying over colors, fonts, bolding, or web styling, OneNote will paste just the plain text. This is the easiest way to keep your notes looking consistent, especially if you like using your own formatting style inside OneNote. And that's it. You've now pasted text without formatting in OneNote. It only takes a second once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of cleanup time. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more OneNote tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick tips just like this. Thanks for watching.